Kavya Speaks. In this video, we'll see about a mobile application called Made in India. The India-China standoff, it has created tensions between the two countries. The thought of anti-China is becoming more and more common among our Indians, starting from deleting Chinese apps to boycotting the products that are made in China. So Mohit Jain, an engineer who took only less than a week to develop this mobile application named Made in India. It just tells the origin of any product if it has a barcode. Built with a simple user interface, you can just scan the barcode of any product or enter the barcode to know its origin. The product you are scanning is made in India. You will be shown a screen saying congratulations, you are contributing towards Atmanirbhar initiative, which means self-reliant India, that is completely depending on our own country, India. If the product you are scanning is not from India, then it will simply show the country name and its flag. Likewise, it can tell the products their origin of over 115 countries. So we'll test this application now. I'm using this product vegetable cutter from Prestige. So let's check this origin by scanning its barcode. You can see Prestige is an Indian company, so you will be getting the origin of this product is India. And I'm using some fancy cloth. I don't know its origin, and let's enter its code and see its origin. This product, its origin is from France, so it displays the name of the country and its flag. You can get to know the origin of products you are using day to day. Download the app by clicking the link in the description.